To register for PCM Scholarship Exam, students should visit curriculumindia.com website, click on View More, click on Student Registration, enter temporary username and password provided by school, enter mobile number, click Send OTP, enter OTP and click Submit OTP. Select gender of candidate and enter email ID. Verify the email ID. If wrong, click Edit. Enter correct email ID, verify the email ID, and click Continue. Check your email for Reset Password link. Click on the email. Click on Reset Password. Create a new password and write it down. Allow camera access if asked. Take a clear picture of the child. No one else should be in the frame. After submitting photo, log out. Check email. You will receive a mail which contains your username and password.